To see Greeks on interactive brokers, start by logging into your IBKR account. Navigate to the trading platform, either through the desktop application or the web version. Once you are in the trading interface, locate the market depth window or the option chain for the specific security you are interested in analyzing. This is where you can find the options related to that security. Next, look for the option chain related to your chosen stock or index. In this section, you will see various options listed, usually organized by expiration date. Click on the option you want to examine. After selecting the option, look for a details pane, which typically contains essential metrics, including the Greeks. The Greeks are key indicators that help you understand how the option's price may change in response to fluctuations in market conditions. In the details pane, you will find various Greek values like delta, gamma, theta, vega, and rho. Delta measures the sensitivity of the option's price to changes in the price of the underlying asset. Gamma indicates how delta will change as the underlying price changes. Theta represents the time decay of the option, while vega measures the sensitivity to volatility. Rho evaluates the option's price sensitivity to interest rate changes. Finally, don't forget to familiarize yourself with how each Greek affects options trading. Understanding these metrics will help you make informed trading decisions. If you want to streamline the process, consider customizing your layout to keep the Greeks visible at all times while you trade. This will help you monitor your positions effectively and react to market movements promptly.